Yes, sir. Yes, the Nervino. Everybody's asking for the Nervino. And I thought that I was doing something good for you. So I put together the brain food. But I took some Nervino the other day, and I realized I made a mistake. I never felt so good, and I was wondering, what did I take today that is so different? I always feel good. I always feel energy. I always have the energy, but I didn't have that calmness, you know, that serenity. And I remember that it was the Nervino. In fact, I told my wife this morning when I was talking to her, we got to bring back the Nervino. So you're right. You're right. It'll be back. Mr. Charles Gray will be carrying that.